And here we are, the Capture Clip version 3. Let's have a look at what we've got in the box. I mean, quality-wise is incredible. I just love the finish. Anyway, open, we've got this kind of pochette where we have got the tools, meaning we've got extra screws, and I'll explain about this later. And then we've got the Allen key, that's for the screws we add there. And then finally, where you want to register your product. Now, in the box, we've got the plate, and we've got the new Capture. Just love the finish. That's the release button, and then we've got these two thumb screws, and it just goes in together really nicely. Clack, there we go. Let me do that one more time. Just love it. Quite rigid. Excellent. Just love this four-way entry as well, guys. Really neat. Now I have got my Peak Design bag, and this is where I would plan to have this clip. The reason behind that is because I just want to have my camera handy. Now you can fit this actually with your belt if you kind of like that idea as well. That will work, and then you can just place the camera. This is how it goes together, and then just place your camera there. So if that becomes kind of like your permanent location, you can replace those thumb screws there with the screws we had a look at earlier using the Allen key. Now let's have a look. I'm planning to use my GoPro to capture the behind the scenes, and I think it looks nice. It's not too bulky. Let me know in the comments section below. And then finally, this is one of my camera. That's the Sony A7 Mark III. It'll be on the chunky side, but let me know what you think. So hope you found that useful.